Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Not only serula, Assagao communidade to grip with scam. Activist exposes mega plot scam in Assagao. Plots formed without knowledge of Gaonkars. Security at Dabolim airport taken for ride. Union Minister asked a report on private handlers in airport campus without scrutinization. Says it's a possible threat. Dowry victim Veda returns to her parental home. Police reluctant to arrest husband. Veda's statement accusing her husband of trying to kill her ignored. England open to provide opportunities for Goan businessmen. Students welcome to study and work. UK Business Secretary Vince Cable announces in Goa. Noted Goan environmentalist Rajendra Kherkar appointed as member of National Board of Wildlife, board headed by PM Narendra Modi. And 127th Durand Cup set to bring top Indian footballers to Goa. Defending champions Mohammedan Sporting face challenge of I-League holders Bengaluru FC in Group C. Now the news in detail. Loot of communidade land is not limited to serula communidade only. Documents obtained through RTI by some activists reveal a scam of lakhs of square meters of land in Assagao communidade. Activist Bismarck Dias has brought this scam to the notice of Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, but surprisingly no action has been initiated so far. Here is a special report.
Activist Bismarck, who has raised a voice against this illegal land grab of Assagao communidade, told to Prudent that some communidade members are in nexus with some government officials. He has alleged loot of communidade land. In the year 2004, the MAPSA Planning and Development Authority issued a NOC order for subdivision of land of 292 plots in Phase 1. The NOC was expired in January 2007. Within that legal period, no developmental work was carried out. But after expiry of the NOC in 2007, Assagao Communidade kept forwarding the same proposal to the Town and Country Planning Department MAPSA for subdivisions of the same survey number. Certain portion of the land measuring 4,95,200 square meters. Plots were partly under settlement zone, partly under orchid zone and partly under private forest zone. In March 2013, same expired proposal was again forwarded to the Town and Country Planning Department MAPSA. Bismarck alleges that this expired proposal was forwarded for the fourth time without supporting documents and without Gaonkars resolution. But this time on 19th March 2013, provisional NOC was granted to develop 590 plots in second phase.
ते दितात अप्रूवल करपाक रिवाइज प्लॅन म्हणतात. रिवाइज काय जागना. ऑलरेडी रिव्हिजन किती आले ते कबाल झाले. ते रिवाइज करूंक ना. तोच चलयला प्लॅन. आणि आता रिवाइज प्लॅन म्हणून एक उतर घालता. इट इज नॉट रिवाइज. आणि सब डिव्हिजन ऑफ प्लॅन 145 1 ई येता. एक अशें आनी ई नाच. तशेंच फेज 1 आणि फेज 2 येता. तर इतले करप्शन इतले हा की ते परमिशन दिता तेका म्हणटा ती गो अहेड म्हणून. कोणाचे टाउन प्लॅनर हा, डेप्युटी टाउन प्लॅनर, सिनियर टाउन प्लॅनर, चीफ टाउन प्लॅनर 2013 रिवाइज प्लॅन म्हणून. हे सारखे स्कॅन्डल्स अँड क्राईम अगेन्स्ट लँड एक्विजिशन, अगेन्स्ट द गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा, अगेन्स्ट द गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया and against the communidades of Goa.
Activists allege that they have written a letter to Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar about this scam. But surprisingly, no action has been initiated so far. Bismarck further says that if CM does not act on his letter soon, he will lodge a complaint with police. We contacted attorney of Assagao Communidade to give clarification in this regard, but he said that he will respond on Friday. Mukesh Kumar and Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent.
Union Civil Aviation Minister Ashok G.R. Pasupati has asked detailed report on allowing private ground handling companies entry into Dabolim Airport, terming it to be a possible security threat. Union Civil Aviation Ministry has said the entry is in violation of law and has sought a reply from Airport Authority of India. Private ground handler Kambata Aviation has not obtained any security clearances and is still scheduled in the October charter of Dabolim Airport. Dabolim Airport Director K. Srinivasa Rao has assured to comply by the order and do the needful.
Dabolim Airport is already facing the ire for its substandard terminal inaugurated in hasty situation. Now Union Aviation Ministry has questioned the airport authority about the access given to private ground handling companies in Dabolim Airport campus. Union Ministry's mail to AAI suggests that security aspects are taken for a ride at Dabolim Airport. Union Minister in his mail has asked to submit detailed report on allowing private ground handling companies entry into Dabolim Airport. Ministry highlights potential security threat posed by these private ground handlers to Indian Navy airbase. Entry is in violation of DGCA rules which prohibits entry of private companies at joint user defense airports. Ground handling permission are granted by Airport Authority of India. BCAS is the security clearance authority. Airport Authority has come out with a monthly charter of ground handling for October. Charter shows Aircon, a ground handler for Kambata Aviation, scheduled in October. But shockingly, it has not yet acquired any security clearances from BCAS. Amusingly, BCAS has also overlooked this aspect. A report on a website has highlighted how large number of unidentified ground handling equipments allegedly belonging to Kambata Aviation is lying in the open at the airport premises. Prudent contacted Director of Dabolim Airport K. Srinivasa Rao. He said, "We have not received the mail from Union Civil Aviation Ministry regarding detailed report on private ground handling and security aspects. If received, cognizance of the same would be taken and needful shall be done." Union Civil Aviation Ministry's concern is 100% valid. In the month of July, Customs had seized 20 kilograms of smuggled gold from one Javed Sheikh at Dabolim Airport. A cargo loader employed by Air India was also arrested. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Dowry victim Veda has returned to her parental place after recording her statement before Panji police. In her statement, she narrated the horrific story of her torture and humiliation by her husband Pramod K. Police have already registered a case for demanding and accepting dowry on the basis of Veda's father's complaint. But even after statement of the victim, police is reluctant to arrest the accused husband.
Dowry victim Veda in a statement before Panji police has narrated how her husband Pramod K tortured her to get dowry amount from her father every day. Veda has also alleged that her husband was planning to kill her and her 3-year-old daughter to marry another wealthy girl. While talking to Prudent, Veda's brother Venu informed that his brother-in-law wanted to grab a land in Karnataka which his father wanted to gift Veda.
Every day night, as soon as he come from the house, he was torturing it. We are giving the land in my sister's name. My father has given the land in his name. It should be transferred to his name, and whatever the FD has been in my niece's name is there. It should be transferred to his son. And he wants to get the new car also.
Even after clear statement of Veda, Panji police is reluctant to arrest her husband Pramod K. Panji police say victim's statement needs to be verified. Panji police also say that latest order of the Supreme Court bars them from arresting accused husband. Supreme Court has barred automatic arrest in dowry cases. The Apex Court has directed police authority to consult magistrate for the arrest if conduct of the accused is bad. But isn't the conduct of husband bad when he forced his wife to commit suicide? How much time Panji police requires to verify Veda's statement? What action has been taken over the complaint of Veda's father? Statement of Veda that her husband was trying to kill her doesn't attract any other sections of law? Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.